Welcome to another episode of Philpot Adventures. As we ring in the new year, what better way to celebrate than by baking up some warm, delicious Irish soda bread? Stick around as we show you how to make this classic treat and kick off the year with a taste of tradition. All right, well, we're going to get started with 250 grams of all-purpose flour. And that's going to be followed by 250 grams of whole wheat flour, equaling 500 grams. And next we're going to put 1 teaspoon of salt in there. And then we're going to put 1 teaspoon of baking soda. That's going to be followed by 1 3/4 cup of buttermilk. Ooh. Ah. And here's where the fun begins. Get in there with one hand and just mix that concoction up until it forms a sticky dough. Your hand is going to get real sticky and messy, but that's okay. It doesn't last forever. Now, once the bowl comes clean on the sides, you know it's mixed well enough. And after you've done that, go ahead and flour the countertop or your work surface. We're just going to turn the dough out on that. Now you want to turn your dough out on the countertop and just gently roll and fold it, just to bring the ingredients together. It's important that you do not knead this dough. So after you've mixed the ingredients for a couple of minutes, you're going to want to roll this dough into a ball. So after that, just get some parchment paper and place the ball of dough on top. You just want to gently squeeze it down, just flatten it a little bit. And now give it a good dusting of all-purpose flour. I like to just kind of smooth it out. So once that's done, you'll want to take a large knife or a baking scraper like this one, and you want to deeply score the dough into quarters. You want to score it deeply, but don't go all the way through the bottom. And once those are there, then you can just kind of slightly open out the quarters. This will allow heat to get into the middle of the bread. Set your oven to 390 and let that heat up. You want to make sure your oven is completely hot before putting the dough inside. But once it's hot, go ahead and put it in there and set your timer for 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes is up, go ahead and check your temperature with a thermometer. If your temperature is reading 190 Fahrenheit or higher, then this bread is done. And there it is. How beautiful is that? So easy to make, so quick. This is my favorite part. If I knew how to use a knife. There we go. Oh yeah. That is looking good. Let's see if my family likes it. Yep, Lily likes it. How about Brandon? Oh yeah, he likes it too. I think it's time for you guys to go make one for yourself. Let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Thank you for watching.